right. Oh God, guys. This is not a good way to start a video. I sound like a sorority girl who has been rushing all week. Bruh, my voice is gone. I sound thoughtalicious right now. But, like Phoebe said, I guess my voice is maturing and this is my sexy voice.
God, I love how sexy I am.
So anyways, welcome to a brand new trip to the Thrift. My voice sounds like this because of my pop-up, which I appreciate all you guys coming to. There's gonna be a vlog dropping soon. Perfect. All right, fellas, so we're live in here. Dude, my voice, Jesus Christ. But hey, you know what? We found some stuff, so either way, I gotta hit you guys with that little tropical starburst heater in the form of this Real Madrid jersey. I love this color scheme. I got some sandals that'll match it perfectly, so of course I gotta get this. It's like $7, Adidas Authentic. Dude, this thing is so fire. I'm a Barca fan, but I don't even care. They also got the new school Nike Air tee. It's like $3, but it has these beautiful forest algae green sleeves, red Nike with the yellow Air. Oh my God, little pink hit right there. This is just glorious already. And then there are also some other stuff on the inside of the cart. Shout out all my old heads. Lots of people over 30 live happy, useful lives. That's a fact. Got a little Stussy tee as well. Damn. This is so hard to do right now, my voice like this. And then you have the North Face jacket. I don't know if these are authentic or if it's just so old. It says made in USA. It is Gore-Tex material, but it doesn't have any of the patches on the jacket. And there are two of them. I'm gonna see if somehow, some way, I could find the patches for these jackets because Gore-Tex is high quality. It doesn't say North Face in the buttons. But it is made in USA, so we'll see. All right, no lie, we've been in the store like 20 minutes while I've contemplated whether to get these North Faces. I haven't been able to find too many round patches that could slap on the titty right there, but there are 1,000,001 like flag patches that should go, or that could go on this sleeve. So I think I'm gonna get them. They're just so high quality and they're Gore-Tex. So why not? Made in USA, made in Berkeley, California. So yeah, I'm gonna get both these North Faces right now. Guys, I was in the plush section and I saw these little kicks sticking out. And look, dude, new tags. You got the Lisa Simpson. Jesus, what is wrong with her though? She looks crazy. Plush right here. I don't know how much they're charging. $5 for her. You already know. I got Bart last week and now I got Lisa this week. I'm excited. I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice. I'm trying. You also got the Mike Swagowski, but he has a really gross eye, so I'm gonna leave that dude.
That's nasty.
But yeah, the plush section is booming. Eeyore. I'm excited. Oh, whoa, look. You got another mini Lisa. Let's go. Guys, so we got a shorty scoop. Look at that hand. You guys know that hand ain't mine. You got the Guess super sick, like raw hem corduroy button up. This thing is like a hybrid between a jacket and a button up. Dang, that is so fire. All right, guys, so I just left the store. Man, I got a couple bags full of stuff, so that is very, very good. I got the North Faces because I got 1,000,001 patches at home that I think I can use to like make those look dope. So I'll get some patches, put some like Velcro tape on them, and then just chunk them on the jackets and be good to go, GI bro. Anyways, shout out Family Thrift. Let's hit another one. All right, guys, so we jumped into Goodwill, and what on earth are these, bro? They got Transformer M&M's Christmas decorations. They also got the vomit / like Grinch skin tone green Uniqlo joggers. Dude, I'm definitely getting these. I got zipper pockets for narcotics. Bro, that is no doubt. That's like when Peter Griffin is barfing on the couch. Like, say less. Guys, what is going on, man? This looks like some scum growing on a fish tank. It's like this Coogee-esque horizontally striped 90s sweater. Yeah, I get it. I gotta get that, bro. It's Oscar Hogg. All right, guys, so unfortunately that Goodwill didn't have anything aside from those two finds I just showed off, but we hopped in the next store right now, and I found that Protege Collection. It's just a cool vintage sweater, perfect for the fall winter. It has like multi-colors and like the black crochetness. Oh, I gotta do it one time for Grand Rapids. Is that in like Michigan? I have no idea, bro, but they have some of the sickest design merch in this thing. They're coming through looking like a 90s splash snapback, except in their state bank. Yo, big ups to them. I had to show this piece off for that. You got a clean, vertically striped Knights of the Round Table polo. This is like my favorite slept-on brand. They're just high-quality garments, and it has that like Mighty Ducks colorway, and it's $220, bruh. Come on. Hey, you guys already know why I come to the thrift, and that's to get some head, baby. You already know, man. One of the baddest brand names in the game. You have that American flag head windbreaker. The color blocking is amazing on this. I want it really bad, but they're charging 14 bucks. 14 bucks for their head, bro. Like, come on, that is not what the street value for head is going for right now. I mean, this is that good quality head, but like, you know what I mean? I've gotten some head for like $6 a couple times, you know what I mean? I don't like to talk about it, but I do, bro. Fuck, I want this head so bad. Unfortunately, I gotta pass on that dome today, bro. I never thought I would say it. I'm just balling on a budget for this oral, dude. Bro, is that Babe? Hey, baby, look at this little Tasmanian devil. Yo, this is a very high quality plush. Homie actually got some weight to him. You have Taz going crazy, looking like he bit his own branding, or I guess price tag, excusez-moi. Yeah, dude, I definitely am gonna grab him. Quality is all there. And then you have low-key thick Tweety. Like, oh my God, look at those tail feathers, dude. She tuned that thing up. Mommy, make it roll. Yeah. Yes, we got one, son. I do believe this is a vintage snapback just by looking at it. It's the Nebraska Cornhuskers. What a name and what a profession, a noble profession with the hands. I hope this is vintage. I can't tell yet. It's not real leather. Let's look at the tag. This is a good quality snapback, like in terms of appearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually grab this bad boy. I see no price though. Migos, hit them with it. All right, guys. So I'm at Family Thrift in Hillcroft, or at the Family Thrift on Hillcroft Street right now, the outlet. I just got a freaking ticket from the police, dude. I haven't sped in like 2 years. I got a ticket for not stopping long enough when I was making a right turn on red with no traffic coming. I was just like, bruh, they out here trying to ruin people's days. Tripping. So anyways, now I gotta go extra hard and see if I can find a bunch of stuff for the video. But look, we already got a Columbia. Green, yellow, navy. Perfect. Jesus Lord. Hey, look at these little chipmunks, baby. Going nuts. I'm going nuts. I'm about to bust a nut. Look how beautiful this is. This thing got me sprung, T-Pain. Oh, and you got Goofy.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Yeah, Donald definitely hates a Goofy especially. Size large. This is a clean little gray fleece. All embroidered too. Thread count crazy. I love it. Oh, man, dude. Hey, no seafaring mammalians getting concussed in the making of this tee. Bro, we saw some like a Miami dolphin. Also approaching with caution. This thing looks like it got hit by some liquid reproductive fluid. So, nice. Oh, that boy Mickey hitting that sprint. Oh, man. Guys, I'm in the stone colorway short section, I guess. Nice. But look at this little pop of variety right here. These look like, or this looks like the Odell Beckham like cleat color scheme that he's warming up in with the gloves, doing them one-handed catches and stuff. Guys, I'm always in such a quandary when I find a piece like this, because it definitely has visible stains, but like the colorway is just so nuts. I don't know, man. I gotta get it. I know I would rock this with the stains. So if anything, I'll just keep this in the personal. And the sleeve never deceives, guys. Shout out to all my beach dwelling drug dealers. You got the drug rug multicolored. This thing is crazy, man. That carpet texture, Lord. I don't know, it is pretty cool. Would you guys be interested in these? I see them and I think they're dope, but I don't know sometimes. Sunspecs? What a brand, dude. Oh, yes. Guys, you ain't winning if you ain't twinning. You got the Seacoast, Harley Davidson, Northampton, New Hampshire, the biggest little dealer in the world. Oh, again, he a dealer? Where's the drug rug? My beach drug dealer, man. Where the kilos, where the pounds? These are from 2002, but there are 2 of them, so that's cool. Maybe me and Kinky can get a twin fit pick in this bitch. And then you have another Harley shirt right here, or this might be, I don't know, it's Laconia, New Hampshire. Hey, shout out New Hampshire and their biking tradition, I guess. I thought it was just like rich ass dudes wearing chino shorts and shit. Hey, but the more you know. Let me hear you say YMCA. I am stressing my vocal cords, YMCA. Dude, they totally swagger jack guess, but I love it. Vintage YMCA crew neck. Cool color scheme. Bruh. Are you joking me? Hey man, aside from Vader, this is like one of the coolest freaking anti-heroes ever. I don't know why I can't think of what they're actually called. I don't know. Fucking Sith Lords is not the word I'm trying to think of. Whatever, you got Darth Maul on this weird looking like tie-dye tee. It almost looks like a Piss Christ type of vibe going on. Yeah, it had the old school tag. Someone ripped it off. Size XL. Dude, no doubt. No doubt. Bro, easily the cleanest of clean. These members only jackets go so hard. Shout that boy Young Clippa.
Fuck with me.
Yeah, these are just like essential 80s jackets that look good with any fit, and these will go with like the gray one, especially with like almost any pair of Yeezys, bruh. I love these essential members only pieces. Huh. Fuck with me. Guys, I have no idea how to contextualize this shirt. It's just this bear with a really bad attitude. It says, I don't think so. What's the point? Get over it, as if. You wish. Who cares? Says who? Talk to the hand. Show me the money. This bear all about that business, boy. And then on the back it says, I don't think so again. I have no idea, but this shirt is cool. Another dope little piece is that Champion long sleeve turtleneck, old school, made in Mexico. That's an essential. Boys and girls, the accessory section is crazy in here. Look at this, you got the 1994 National Champs Arkansas Razorbacks embroidered like nylon material snapback. Bruh. Then you got, oh my God, the vintage Coca-Cola hat. Look at the freaking ribboning on the sweatband. Oh my God, oh my God. Detroit Red Wings in this thing. Starter, the right hat, the right cap, bruh. Let's get it. Hold on, what else? Brown and Brown Chevrolet. Oh, sports specialty script. Bruh, this thing is yellowed. I need to restore this little whore. But Minnesota Timberwolves. Perfect. Guys, underneath this crazy color like pink hat that matches this pink vintage Columbia. Whoopsies. Look what we got. Oh, Dallas Cowboys. Sports specialties script. Jolly Green Giant AstroTurf color underbrim, a Team NFL side logo. Wow, this is a personal collection cop, man. The Cowboys are my squad. Dude, I thought it couldn't get any better. I'm going through this whole bin. Guys, vintage Nike snapback. Are you kidding me? You got the Duke Blue Devils vintage snapback, top of the world brand, bro. Look at this, look at this. Houston Rockets sports specialty scripts. Oh my God. Dude, I'm going through this whole bin. Dude, this is a snapback honey hole, bruh. I'm buzzing, man. This is like curing my illness. Fuck. Oh man. Dude, I'm so excited. This is crazy. All right, guys. So I just finished digging through an entire bin, and I have the hats arranged all sexily right here. Hands down, man, the best hat in this thing will be the Houston Rockets script or the Cowboys script. Vintage Nike with the check. Red Wings, Pistons, Red Wings, Duke, American Needle super old Yankees hat, Coke hat, Oldsmobile Cadillac Group. Bruh, why is it autofocusing on that? You got this General Motors test driver hat, all embroidered with the wings and the wheel. Detroit Lions snap. I mean, this is crazy. And that's what I live for, man. Yes. Oh man, you guys know I love that head brand, but my second favorite brand is that Lecoq Sportif. Bruh, 80s French windbreaker. Holy moly, look at that little piece of cock jewelry. I love it. Guys, I am straight dripping wet.
Drippin'.
My girl just came back with 5 fantabulous finds, or maybe there are 6 of them. 2000 Disney with that boy Goofy, huh? You also have the Best Buddies Tigger and Pooh crew. Wow, shitting on them. You got another one, Winnie the Pooh right there in color. The whole cast in black and white. You got the Looney Tunes Christmas carolers going on right here. And then you have a Winnie the Pooh fleece. This also is cool, just a little dragon encrusted fire lightning button up. Guys, no lie, man, I didn't think today could get any better after finding those snapbacks, but he just did tenfold, man. We got a grail in hand right now. Just check it out, bro. Check it out, bro. Are you joking me, man? Look at this. Joking me, get it? You got Joker with the double barrel pistol. Bruh, I feel like I'm just evil cackling my way out this thrift store. This is a crazy piece. Dude got that lettuce colorway hair going on. The non-crest whitening strip included on those dentures, boy. That fool got that foul mouth. Single stitch in this bitch, bro. On a Screen Star's Best Made in USA frame. Oh my gosh, like this gradient from orange to or red, I guess, to yellow to orange is perfect. This can match 1,000,001 things. I am so happy about this piece. Like, I came out here sick than a bitch, and this is high key like my antidote. This is curing me right now, dude. Oh my god, this is an absolute grail, and these things go for shmoney too, boy.
I don't feel like counting, so I bought the money counting.
My lord, my lord.
Hey, shout out to you for making it this far in the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Smashing the like button helps my videos get seen, so go ahead and click that if you made it this far. Also, you need vintage clothes? Check out my website, Thrift Heaven Vintage. A link is in the video description, as are all the links to my social media. Follow me on IG, you guys already know. But if you made it this far, man, I love you, and until next time, peace.
These songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.